Yeah, so I cannot kill myself. Now I want to show you people something. You see this rice? You see the color? That's fried rice. Abi? Fried rice. This one is not made from your normal fried rice color. It's not made from your normal fried rice color. This one is actually made from turmeric. This color you are seeing now is made from turmeric. So you too can do it at home. Okay, you can do it at home. You can actually use turmeric to cook your fried rice. You will get the same color. You will get the same color as fried rice coloring. Okay, this is turmeric. All you need to do is just grate your turmeric, then use it to sauce your meat. Then after that, use it to boil your rice. You will get this same color. So you get this same color, this fried rice color you are seeing here. You see it? So it's made from turmeric. All right. So, and you know, it's very wonderful to eat with your bare hand. This is actually the best spoon that God has given to mankind. Okay, it's very, very good. In fact, if you have not done it before, you need to try it. Try it that you will enjoy it. So that's it. So I just want to show it to you guys that you can achieve this one at home using your turmeric. Okay, turmeric is natural. Okay, so you can use it to get your fried rice. That is, get exactly the same color of your fried rice coloring. The normal color your fried rice will give you, turmeric will do it for you. So go and try turmeric, okay, and you will come back and testify here. All right. And also don't forget, try to also use your bare hand. If you have not done it before, try it, use your bare hand. You will definitely enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video.